Hello everyone. Today we are going to study English class 3rd unit 1st chapter number 1 The Magic Garden. The Magic Garden. The Magic Garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigold, poppies and pansies. So, look, children, this is a story about the garden. It was a magical garden. It was in the school playground. Just like our playground, we have a small garden. It was so beautiful. There were sunflowers and roses which were touched the wall, and they were so tall. Marigold, poppies, and pansies were flower too. This is the names of the flowers. Right now, second paragraph, the sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. Explanation, next paragraph. They are talking about the sunshine was there too much in this area only. Because of that, flowers were dancing and singing. They talked to each other, just like we are talking, human beings are talking. Means flowers were talking to each others like you are talking in the class with your friends. They were talking that they have more than 100 gardeners. Actually here the gardeners means who works in garden, but here they are using in different manners. They are directly talking about the children who are coming and playing in this garden. Third paragraph. One sunny morning the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love that dear little ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots." "Yes," said the marigolds. "The boys are good to us too. They dig the garden so well." So following paragraph is explaining that one day flowers and birds were talking that they love all children. "And I love the dear little ones so much," Poppy says. Poppy is the name of the flowers, and we all know the flowers are talking each other in this chapter. Again the poppy says, "The flower, I like children because they give me water." And we all know the plants, trees, flowers need water to grow up. Even marigold flower was agreed with them because it added, means marigold said that the boys were digging the ground. The dig means move the land, soil or garden like a ground using. Okay children, now we are page number 5. First line. "We love the little children," said a tiny bird. "They are kind and they bring bread for us." Explanation. Bird said that children were kind because they were bringing food. Food means meal, what we are eating. And as per we know, the birds love bread to eat. So that's why the birds are saying that children are bringing bread for them and feed them. That's why children are so kind and so humble. That's why birds like. Next line. All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." Explanation. All flowers were talking to each other that please be ready in good dresses. Dresses of flowers means flowers has its petals, and petals are the dress of flowers, and they are going to be ready, or they want to ready for their children who are coming in the garden and they are playing with them. Next line. The son said, I will help you also, for nothing pleased me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. Explanation. The sun said, or sun talked to the flowers and birds and everything who was in garden. So sun said, sun will help flowers and birds because sun also liked children when they are playing in the garden of golden sunshine which was given by the sun. Move to the next line. Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing, and flowers stopped their song to listen to them. Explanation. Children came in the garden, and flowers and birds and sun stopped talking. Even flowers were singing too. So they stopped singing because flowers wanted to listen children noise, children happiness, and children who were laughing. Second line, another child said, I love the marigold and its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. Explanation, we all know if anybody appreciate us or if anybody give us compliment, that thing is happen in this line. So second child appreciate marigold, that the marigold is a favorite one of him. So marigold smile and blush. Children, when someone appreciate you or says something as a compliment to your new dress, how would you feel? Blushing, 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 huh? Same thing is happened with the marigold in this line. Come on children, we are on page number 6 now, first paragraph. It was indeed a magic garden because it has fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. Explanation, it was very much true that it was the magic garden because the fairies were there too. Everybody knows in the magic picture or any magical things the fairies should be there in our imagination. So fairies are dancing and singing for the children, and only children can hear those songs which sung by fairies. How your mama is singing for you while sleeping, or bedtime stories. Same thing is happen with the children when they are entering or when they are playing in this garden and fairies are coming out for them to entertain them. Next paragraph. After a time, the fairies came out dancing and talking with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. Explanation. When the children were in the garden, fairies means, fairy tales, we all know that the fairies came out for the children, only for the children, because fairies are loved them. And the fairies clothes is made of flowers, and everybody knows that fairies has wings, like shining wings. So the wings of fairies is made by sunshine. Last paragraph of this chapter. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. Explanation. The magic garden was quiet, means silence. While night. Obviously, while sleeping, we don't make noise, only snoring. My mean is that at night we require silence so we can sleep soundly or nicely, and that's why the flowers, birds, and all things were sleeping and dreaming for the next day because they want children every day in their garden. So that's why they are dreaming. Children will come tomorrow. they are saying in this paragraph. New words which you could not understand, but that things you have to write one time in your notebook. And new words are magic, garden, gardener, playground, sunshine, golden, dreaming. Hard words which you have to write twice or two times in your notebook. And hard words are poppies, pansies, happily, hundreds, most of all, watering cans, thirsty, dig, nothing, suddenly, lifted, smiled, indeed, fairies, wings, dreaming, asleep, and quiet. Okay, my little gems, quick instruction for you. Once you start your writing, please write chapter name, title, question, and answer. Children, now we are on page number 7. The title is Reading Fun, and our writing part has started. I will read questions and answer too. In my next slide, there are answers which you have to write in your notebook. Question 1. Why did the flowers love the little children? Answer. The flowers love the little children because they watered their thirsty roots and dug the ground very well. Question 2. Why did the birds love children? Answer. The birds love children because they gave them bread. Question 3. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Answer. Sunflowers, poppies, pansies, marigolds, and roses. Question 4. What sounds could the children hear in the garden? Answer. The children could hear the sweet songs of the fairies. Children, now talk time. I am going to recite the poem. Roses, I like roses. Most roses are red. Some are white. Some are yellow. Are there blue roses? I have not seen any blue roses. The thing you have to write in your notebook is that which question has given below is that which one is your favorite flower? Learn its name in English. These things you have to write in your notebook. Moving on, next activity, say aloud. Let me share some good thing with you is that say aloud, it is very good for our pronunciation. How we pronounce the words correctly. Even say aloud is good for our memory and our speech as well. So you have to speak after me. First word is that little, people, purple, happily, sleepily, proudly, slippery, thirsty, pretty. Very good. Okay, now team time, which is on bottom of the page number 6 and continue with the page number 7. This is our first activity, but I know you cannot do this time. So I will just explain you how to do it. And don't worry, we will do this activity while our school and our new session will reopen, we will definitely do this thing in our classroom. So let me refer only. This activity will be done in scrapbook. Activity name is Make a Flower Scrapbook. First, collect 5 flowers. Second, put each flower carefully between the pages of an old book. Place some heavy books on top of the old books. Leave it for some days. Stick the pressed flowers carefully in your scrapbook. Write the name of each flowers. Okay, let me explain easily. First you have to collect 5 flowers. Then you have to put your flowers in some book. And you have to close that box and leave for few days. It will be dry, it will be get brown, and it will be in just like a paper. So it's a press print. And those things you have to stick in your scrapbook. Word building. Instruction is name 2 words in each petal which you see in a garden. Kids, you have to write 2 names or 2 words in each petal. Let me give you an example. So, in the first petal has insect. Here the insect is the clue for you. Means what kind of insects you can see in the garden. Look, I usually see the butterfly, the bee, etc. So you can write those things in your blank. Next petal which they are asking trees name. Means what kind of trees are available in our garden? Means write trees name. What do you know? Likewise mango, guava, apple, etc. In next flowers name. Like marigold, rose, we have already learned in our chapter. So you can get some idea from our chapter. Next is the tools. Here the means what the gardener are using while gardening the garden. Means they need some tools. Next, tools. Here they mean what kind of machines are using by gardener. Means gardener is using machines or tools or any equipment to make his garden or keep his garden nice. So here I can give you the clue that as grass cutter or spades you can write. And the last, they are asking for the birds. Right. So we know that birds are coming when the greenery is there. So I can write parrots, manna. You can write whatever you see in the garden. Okay, kid? Now page number 9. Let's write. The instruction is, imagine you have a big garden. What would it look like? Draw a picture. Pupil, I know. Now you don't have a book. But when will you come back to school? That time we will draw it and color it. So no worries. Now move on the next one that you can write in your notebook. So question 2. What would you like to grow in your garden? Write 3 sentences given the name of the flowers that you might like to grow in your garden. Thank you very much for listening me. Hope you understand everything and clearly. Till then, stay home, stay safe.